What ancient laundry methods did people use? Imagine a time long before washing machines and detergent, when laundry was a full day's work. People had to get creative with simple tools and natural resources. Let's explore how they kept their clothes clean in ancient times. Many relied on water from rivers, streams, or lakes. They would carry their clothes to these water sources, soak them, then rub or beat the fabric against flat rocks or stones. Rubbing helped loosen dirt and stains, while beating was like a natural scrub. Sometimes they used wooden paddles or sticks to help with this process. After washing, they would twist out excess water and hang clothes on bushes, ropes, or grass to dry in the sun. In Egypt and Rome, people used a different method called stomping or treading. They would fill large tubs or vats with water and soak their clothes. Then they would step on the fabric with bare feet, pressing and moving it around. This natural washing machine helped remove dirt and oils. Romans often added substances like urine, which contains ammonia, to whiten wool or remove stains. They also used mixtures of ashes and animal fats to make cleaning pastes. People also used natural cleaning substances before soap was invented. For example, ashes from wood fires mixed with animal fats created a basic soap-like paste. Some cultures used crushed eggshells or alum to help with stain removal. Sand was sometimes used as an abrasive to scrub dirt from fabric. These natural agents helped break down oils and grime, making clothes cleaner. After washing, some cultures brushed or carded woolen clothes to make them softer and look neater. They used tools like the skin of a hedgehog or thistle plants to raise the fabric's nap, giving it a fresh appearance. The invention of early soap was a big step forward. Made from animal fats and lye, soap helped clean clothes more effectively. People would rub soap onto fabric or use it with scrubbing boards called washboards. These boards had ridges that made scrubbing easier. In medieval times, boiling clothes in water over fires was common. Boiling helped remove stubborn stains and germs. After boiling, clothes were scrubbed on washboards or beaten with sticks. This was hard work, involving carrying water, tending fires, and waiting for clothes to dry. Knowing these ancient methods shows how resourceful people were. Today, we have machines, but hand-washing skills like soaking, scrubbing, and air drying are still useful. You can even try natural cleaners like baking soda or vinegar, inspired by these old practices. It's a great way to understand the effort behind keeping clothes clean and to be prepared when modern tools aren't available.